what are we doing today?
We're doing make banana, chocolate chip, and actually bananas. Banana breads. We make chocolate chip.
Yep. So we're going to make banana bread, and she wants to put chocolate chips in them, right?
So
what do we have to do?
So what I do is wash this grass. I don't want it to break by accident. Wash it.
Good job. Remember, you have that special tool there you've used before.
Yeah. No further I do. I do.
Here, I can hold it like this, and you can scrape it out. There you go. And what did you want to tell them about this pan? This 9 by 9 inch pan?
On sale. 9%.
It's on sale. They can get it through Mommy, right?
Yep. I'm behaving myself. I'm doing my chop.
Yep. You're helping make the banana bread. Good job. And don't forget to put your chocolate chips in. Put that right in here. She's got her chocolate chips. That's okay, you're going to mix it up. You could have mixed it up when it was in here, but that's okay. That's a lot, so here you go. Take this and mix it in. There you go. And Cassie, did we put any butter or anything on this pan? Nope, don't need any butter with our Fantasia Fresh containers, right?
Yeah.
And it's going to go right in the what? How are we going to cook it?
Oh. In the oven.
In the oven.
And watch.
That's okay, we'll do that in a second. Come back over here and talk to your fans.
I'm so. Mama keeping me hopping.
Yep, lift it up. So tell. It's a big container. Look how big that is. And she's making her banana bread. Okay, everybody have a good night.
Have a good night. Say good night. Bye.
Cooking with Cassie tonight. Gonna wave?